Tamil Nadu, the government has regulated rates of private ambulances in the state amid reports of these ambulance services overcharging COVID patients and their relatives. The Tamil Nadu government has now stepped in, regulating the rate for such ambulance services. So according to the regulated rates, patient transport ambulance will cost 1500 rupees for the first 10 kilometers and rupees 25 extra for every additional kilometer. Basic life support ambulance with oxygen will cost 2000 rupees for the first 10 kilometers and 50 rupees extra for every additional kilometer. An advanced life support ambulance will cost 4000 rupees for the first 10 kilometers and 100 rupees extra for each additional kilometer. Let's go across to Shilpa, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Shilpa, there were several reports, not just from Tamil Nadu but across the state, of these private players fleecing the public, and now Tamil Nadu government has taken note of that and has capped the prices for these ambulance services.
Well, that's right, Swati. In fact, in order to deal with the number of new cases that are coming up in Tamil Nadu, the state government had given permission to private ambulance services to ferry COVID patients to the designated hospitals. However, several private ambulances have been overcharging patients and their relatives, and several such reports had also come to light. And taking cognizance of all of that, the government has now decided to cap the charges for the private ambulances. And like you rightly read out just a short while back, the patient transport ambulance would cost around 1500 for first 10 kilometers and rupees 25 extra for every additional kilometer. The basic life support ambulance with oxygen would cost around 1000 rupees for the first 10 kilometers and rupees 50 extra for every additional kilometer. And an advanced life support ambulance would cost around 4000 rupees for the first 10 kilometers and rupees 100 extra for every additional kilometers. Now, the government has said that if at all the private ambulances continue to overcharge, then people can file a complaint with the 104 helpline that has been opened by the government, and strict action would be taken against the defaulters. Now, this includes immediate cancellation of driving license, cancellation of registration number.
Shilpa, stay on with us. Yes, Shilpa, stay on with us. We have some more inputs coming in from Tamil Nadu. I'll come to you for details on that as well.